good? I think it's afternoon, you guys. It is, I think, almost 12:30, and I just want to come on and say good morning. I'm gonna open this window because I feel like I could use the natural light. But happy Saturday. It's about 12:30, and today's a huge work day for me. I have a bunch of homework that I want to get done. And then I also want to clean out my closet this weekend and get rid of the desk that is in my room that has just become like a place for me to throw things. So that is the plan for this weekend. We have to do laundry. I also have to run to the store this weekend to get food for lunch for work. And if you're wondering why I go to the store every week to get food for lunch, I make my food for lunch. I don't buy like pre-made food, so it's easier to just buy food for a week, just because if not it goes bad. So that is why I have to go grocery shopping every week, and I also eat up a bunch of my food, like my fruit and stuff. So that's why I go to the grocery store so often. But yes, I wanted to come on and start the vlog. As you guys have seen, I've had breakfast already. I made my coffee. Lately I've been wanting to do my homework in my bed. And I just have like this really big back pillow. I feel like I've showed it to you guys before, but if not, I will show you guys that later. So I'm not like laying down. I'm actually sitting up using my back pillow, so it supports my back. And I've just been doing my homework in my bed. I've been wanting to do that versus sitting at my desk in my office, just because I haven't gotten a chance to get a comfortable chair yet. The chair that I have in my office is just like a fold-up chair. And I actually, before all of this stuff happened, before everything got shut down, I planned on going into Home Goods because I have a Home Goods near me. And I was going to see if I could find a really nice, comfortable office chair, but I didn't get the chance to do that. So I think I may look on like Wayfair or Overstock to see if I can find a comfortable chair. I'm subscribed to Kenzie Elizabeth here on YouTube, and she's been doing like house updates, and she posted a vlog, and she showed this chair that she has. I don't remember if it was in her bedroom or if it was in her office, but either way I fell in love with it, so I think I want to try to see if I can find it. So I need to either go to her Instagram or her vlog to see where she got the chair from, because I really liked it. But yeah, that's why I haven't been doing homework in my office. I just really do not like the chair. So yes, said all that to say, it's going to be a really big work day. I'm going into my last 2 weeks of my semester. So I know some of you guys are really going through it with this online schooling thing, but I just want to say that you can do it. Keep going. There is light at the end of the tunnel. I know there's a lot of anxiety surrounding like not knowing what's going to happen next and having to be cooped in a house. So yeah, I get it. So just hang in there, you guys. You guys know if you need to talk to anyone or to vent, or if you guys have any questions, my DMs are always open, or you guys can just leave a comment on my video. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and go set up to start doing my work, and I will talk to you guys later. Okay, what is up, you guys? It is about 7:30, and I've gotten a decent amount of work done, and then my boyfriend and I also went to Target to get the things that I needed for lunch for the week. And we also got his cousin like a get well gift basket because she did get sick. So we ended up getting her a little gift basket that we're going to mail to her. She is starting to feel better, thankfully, so that's good. We're supposed to be making like homemade pieces later, but I don't know if we're going to do that. I'm actually about to do some spring cleaning, even though it was just snowing here in Illinois yesterday. I don't know. This weather here has been crazy. One day it's like 80 degrees and then 2 days later it's snowing, and then yesterday it was snowing and today it was like 55. So I don't even know. But anyways, we're going to do some spring cleaning. I want to get my closet cleaned out, and then I also want to get the desk cleaned out of my room and get the desk out of there because I don't do homework at that desk. It's just become a place that I throw things that don't have a place. So that is on the agenda. We may not get it all done tonight, but I do want to work on it. So that's the plan. I'm going to do like a little cleaning montage, and yeah, I will talk to you guys later. Okay guys, I pretty much cleaned out all of the clothes from my closet that I couldn't fit anymore, that I don't wear, that I just don't want. A lot of the clothes still have the tags on them, but I'm probably just going to donate them. It's just a whole lot easier to donate them. So yeah, and then I did laundry. I filled up an entire trash bag full of clothes from my closet. So whenever everything opens back up, I'll just have to go and take the stuff to maybe like a women's shelter or something. But yeah, right now me and my boyfriend are actually going to make a pizza. It's not going to be like from scratch just because we kind of bought the dough pre-made. So really the only thing we're going to be doing is putting the sauce, the cheese, and the pepperoni on there. But it's like semi from scratch. And I'm actually going to show you guys everything, but it's going to be like sped through with music just because my niece and nephew are downstairs and they're having a blast and you wouldn't be able to hear us if we were to talk anyway. So we're about to go make a pizza, and then after the pizza, I don't know what I'm going to do. What time is it? It's 8:36. So after the pizza, I may just have a glass of wine and watch movies and just kind of chill out for the rest of the night. Maybe I'll do a face mask. Who knows? But yes, we're going to go downstairs and we're going to make some pizza, and I'm going to bring you guys along with me. About to do a taste test. It's finished. That's what it's look like. You gotta taste it at the
You
same time.
sound underly enthusiastic about it.
You gotta eat it at the same time.
Or are you yelling at me on camera?
Here we go.
Not bad.
Coming up.
Not bad.
Okay guys, it is about 10 o'clock now and I think I'm gonna go ahead and turn in for the night. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Also make sure you subscribe to my channel before you leave, and I will talk to you guys in tomorrow's vlog.